Well, let's take a look at things that you have support for, and that is your stock picks for today. Cobus, what are you betting on?
We've already spoken about my stock pick, so it's a little bit boring. I prefer something more esoteric, but Naspers again, just reiterating what we have already said. Beyond the 10-cent play and all the rest, bullishness on the Chinese economy and Chinese technology in general. We are of the view that the current discount to underlying NAV isn't exactly justified, and we expect management to they seem to have become a little bit obsessed about plugging that hole. So we believe at the very least they'll continue to use share buybacks because they model this as well now. They follow this more closely than they used to. Almost like the Yanni Mouton used to do with PSG. I believe when the discount gets wide, they buy more aggressively. So from that perspective, we think those buybacks will remain accretive, and in time the market may warm up to the current CEO and his direction. Hopefully, this share reaction makes them realize they need to be more cautious. But beyond that, we think it's just an incredibly cheap entry point relative to its underlying assets, never mind the expectation for those assets going forward.
All right. David, where are you looking for returns today?
I'm going for same theme, recovery of Russia. Why do I say Russia? Recovery of Europe and recovery of China, especially on the consumption side. So I'm going to go luxury. And if you're going to go luxury, go right to the top, which is Hermés, which not even you can afford to buy those bags. And you know what? Even if they're tariffs, I think the people who buy those bags, the Birkin bags, and go to Hermès, it doesn't affect them whether the prices are up. It's just so snobbish. So it's a wonderful, wonderful business. And, so I'm sticking my neck out and saying, yeah, we're going to see a recovery in luxury against the backdrop that we've been speaking about.
David, you don't know my wallet. You can't pocket watch me.
Now, you're a Zara person, I think.
I am finished. Wow. That's it for today. Let's close the show. That's all for Stock Watch today. Thanks to our guest David Shapiro from Sasfin Securities and Cobus Potgieter from Southern Cross Capital. Up next, The Close. Stay watching.